My name is Teacher Allison, and if you've looked at my bio, you know that I am a teacher. I've spent many years in the American schools classrooms, teaching both elementary students from the regular kindergarten to 6th grade. I've also taught English as a second language to elementary students. And most recently, I have taught English as a second language to students in China working online. I have experience teaching pronunciation, grammar, speaking and conversation, and even reading and writing. Not only have I worked in the schools and online, but I've also been an educator in a science museum. So I've done teaching to students in the Science Museum. I've been the presenter for general audiences in the museum. I've even taught adult teachers in that Science Museum. My background isn't solely in education though. I've also studied psychology, Spanish, and theater. Now, having taken many Spanish classes myself, I know what a daunting thing it can be to try to learn a second language. And I know how intimidating it can feel to have a conversation with a native speaker. That's why in my class, one of the most important things is to know that this is a place that I want to be low stress and high encouragement. That way we can give ourselves some grace when we do make mistakes. Well, now you know a little bit about me. I really hope that I'll get to see you in my classroom. Bye-bye. Now, having taken many Spanishes, now my okay, here we go. Bye-bye.